We are on the second day of adjectives that compare. Today is really a spelling lesson, honestly. So you have to remember vowels, consonants, and what to do with both of those things. Do you think you can remember that? Well, I think you can. But first, let's review. An adjective describes a noun. A noun is a person, place, or thing. Adjectives can compare two nouns. They also can compare more than two nouns, but we'll get to that later. Don't worry about that today. Most one-syllable adjectives, you just add ER when you're comparing two nouns. For example, my dog is smaller than your dog. But there are tricks, as always. So we're going to talk about more one-syllable adjectives. For adjectives with one syllable that end in a single vowel followed by a consonant, you double the last consonant and then add ER. What? That was a lot of words, Miss Courier. I don't know about those. All right, let's back it up. We'll look at the examples. First of all, what does the word single vowel mean? What is single vowel? Well, vowels are A, E, I, O, U, sometimes Y. If it's single, it means it's by itself. Followed by a consonant. Well, a consonant is any other letter that is not a vowel. When it's only one vowel followed by one consonant, you just double the last consonant and add ER. Well, what does double the last consonant mean? It means do it twice. So, for example, the Egyptian room at the museum is bigger than the Greek room. Big is one syllable. It ends in a single vowel plus a consonant. It ends with an I, G. I is the vowel, followed by G, the consonant. So what do? We double the G and add ER. So big becomes bigger. B-I-G-G-E-R. This is really just a spelling lesson. So big changes to bigger. Let's practice this. Thick. How would I spell thick to make it thicker? It is one syllable. However, it ends in a single vowel, but after the single vowel is two consonants, the C and the K. It needs to be a single consonant in order to double it. Since there are two, C and K, we do not double it. Just add ER. So thick becomes thicker. Here is hot. How many syllables is hot? It's one syllable, that's exactly right. What does it end in? Well, it ends in OT, which is a single vowel plus a single consonant. So what do we need to do? We need to double the consonant, so hot becomes hotter. H-O-T-T-E-R. Here are your practice questions. You are going to make it an adjective that compares two things. You are going to add ER to all of these words. However, you need to decide what they end in and if you need to double the consonant or not. In order to double the consonant, you need it to be a single vowel plus a single consonant. Don't be confused with double vowels or double consonants at the end. Only single vowel, single consonant, you add ER. So they will be rounder, sweeter, wetter, thinner, but they need to be spelled right, and we will check those. Do your best. If you have any questions, you can always rewatch the video and then come ask me.